What do you want to do?
I want you. Don't find me.
Stop right there. Coming back so late at night, where has our young master been gallivanting?
I went to a friend's place and forgot to tell you. I'll be sure to remember next time.
Shank Singly, how dare you lie? Look what this is. How did I raise you since you were little? A girl should know propriety and honor. You already have a boyfriend, and yet you dare to do such a thing.
Grandpa, I just accidentally drank too much and slept with a man. But rest assured I paid him. No free rides.
Your father is a diplomat. Do you know how much impact this will have if it gets out? Do you understand the consequences? If it reaches your translation school, you can forget about becoming a translator for life.
When drunk, who thinks that much? If I can't become one, then so be it.
Are you trying to drive me crazy? Go kneel in the courtyard and reflect on your actions. Old master, it's raining outside. Don't plead for her. She made a mistake and shows no remorse. If we don't teach her a lesson, she'll think she can get away with anything.
Kneeling is nothing new to me.
This child has been spoiled by all of you. Just look at her. Does she even look like someone who made a mistake?